In today's video, I want to share with you how you can easily make money online by watching ads and also doing affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'll share with you a legit platform that I've been using, and this is the best platform for students to make money while in campus, or anyone who just want to make some side money, because it's affordable and anyone can do it. So before we get into my laptop, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also like this video, because you're gonna get amazing information from this channel focusing on how to generate money online, both in legit ways and also easy to do ways of making money online here in Kenya. So let's dive into my laptop and let me share with you how you can generate money and also some earning proof to show that it's a legit business. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the platform I was talking about. As you can see, I've managed to withdraw over 10,000 Kenya shillings, and currently I have a balance of 150 shillings. And let me share with you my withdrawal history so that you can see that you can make money from this platform. As you can see, I've been withdrawing money of Kenya shillings 600 and above, and the status is paid. As you can see, I withdraw a 900 shillings and I get 850 because the charges is 50 shillings. So some of the ways in which you can make money with this platform are here in the menu. So you can see we have welcome bonus, Instagram reels, trivia question, where you will click on trivia question and click partake, and this will only be on Mondays. You can see you can only access it on Mondays. And let me show you the timetable of how this business works. So on Monday you'll have trivia questions, Tuesday TikTok videos, Wednesday YouTube videos, Thursday Instagram reels, Friday ads, Saturday ads. So YouTube videos, you will click on YouTube videos, click watch, and then you will watch any of these videos. So in case you want to get started with this business, I'll share with you in the next section. So you will click on claims earnings for video 1, and you will be able to claim the earnings. As you can see, you have successfully claimed your earning for YouTube video 1. So you can go back to the dashboard and you will see that there is some money in the YouTube earnings. You can see 90. So I've already withdrawn some amount from this, and also you can go back to YouTube and watch again the other video that you left. So it's usually 2 videos. You can click claim earnings after watching the video and you will be able to make money. So another way of which you can make money is through TikTok videos, which you can watch again. You click on watch and it will take you to the TikTok videos where you will also claim your earnings. So you will click on claims earning for video 2 and you will earn money. After that, you can also come down here and also focus on ads clicking. So let me show you how to register with this platform. So the first step is to click the link in description, and it will bring you to this page where you will enter your full names and then enter a username that is unique, and then enter your email address, your phone number, and then country, and then click accept terms and condition. Make sure that the phone number is one that is registered with your M-Pesa, because you will be using it to withdraw your money, and then click register. After that, you can come and click sign in to log in to your account. So let me show you how you can now make money with affiliate marketing. So you will log in into your account. So for legitimacy of this business, this is a legit business. As you can see, the certificate of registration, it's legit, and also we can make money through affiliate marketing. So after creating your account, you will get your own referral link, and this is what you will make. In your first referral, you will make 300 shillings. The second one is 150 and the third one is 50. So meaning if you refer Brenda, you will earn 300 shillings. That is after she activates her account with 550 shillings. So for you to log in into your account, you need to activate with 550 shillings, which is affordable. So one skill that you need to learn in order to make money is sales and marketing, and I will show you how to do this on YouTube. So after referring Brenda, you make 300 shillings once she upgrades. So let's say now Brenda refers John. John is your level 2, and when John activates, you earn 150. Let's now say John refers Mary. Mary joins and activates, you earn 50 shillings. So you can see cumulatively you'll earn 500 shillings by building a team of 3 people. So for you to withdraw, I'll show you how to withdraw your money. You log into your account, click withdraw, and then click withdraw balance. And the minimum withdrawal is 500 Kenya shillings, and this business works everywhere. So you will click on M-Pesa and then click on the amount that you have. So right now I have only 150 shillings, so I'll just leave it until I reach at least 550 shillings, then I will withdraw. You cannot withdraw more than your available balance, as you see. So for you to get started, you can check out the link in description. So now, how do you advertise this business in order to get clients on this platform that you will refer? So you can go on YouTube, and people are searching about how to make money online in Kenya. So let's go to YouTube and see what people are searching for. As you can see, people are searching how to make money online in Kenya using a smartphone. Then you take these keywords, make some videos about it, and refer people to such platform. So you will be showing people how to generate money by utilizing this platform. And then you share your referral link. So to get your referral link, you will scroll down here and then click on copy. So when someone joins and activate their account, you can make money. So another way is through blogging, where you can start a free blog like this one with WordPress, and then you write an article about it. Or you can go to LinkedIn and start creating content on how to make money. So for example, make money online in Kenya, watching videos in Kenya. These are things people are searching for, and when they come across your video, they will be able to go through it and you can refer them to the business. So that is how you can make money online in Kenya. So in case you want to learn more, you can always reach out to me and I'll be ready to guide you. So go and register, create your account, and start making money with Stream Cash Agency. Make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and you can also share with your friends who are interested in making money online.